car place.
It's in its spot! Oh my God, Hallie, look at this key. Oh, are you doing a video?
There is no key.
What is it? It's like just a pouch. That's for that Lexus pouch. Here it is. It's so fancy, your mother can't even work it. She's so non-techno. Oh my God in heaven. Am I holding
Leading the way. He's leading the way.
Oh, he's taking me to the car. He's taking me as we talk. Let me hold in my stomach so I don't look fat for the video. Oh my God, Sappy, what's going to happen? What's it going to be looking like? Oh my God. I'm a member of the Platinum Club. Jesus
Whatever that
Christ,
involves.
Whatever that is.
I can't wait to see this thing.
I can't either. Oh my God, what's it going to look like? Here it comes.
Oh shit.
Oh, holy
Oh
crap.
shit.
Oh my God. It's
Oh shit.
Oh my
Oh
God.
shit.
Oh, it's beautiful. Grant, that is, look at the
that a
front.
car?
Oh
Is
my
that a car?
freaking God.
Holy
Notice the gray
shit.
interior?
I love it. And the beautiful grill on the front.
Dad's gonna be getting action for a long time.
I don't know how do I open it. Oh. Oh my God.
Just put that key in your pocket. That's all you need to do is have it
Look
on
at
your
this.
person.
Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my God.
And she's made it.
Look at this. Oh my God. Did you know? How do I
Put that in your pocket. You don't need any of that.
Get in, woman. Push the red start button, baby.
Hallie knows how to start it because you just push it in once.
If I knew, if
There you
I
go.
had known, Mom, then I would know about my car. So of course I didn't know. Is it the right interior?
Yes.
Push
Oh,
it.
it's gorgeous.
Oh, you got to shut the door.
I'm getting in. I'm getting in. Oh, this is too high tech for Mom.
Push it.
It's too
Push
high
it
tech.
again.
Get in.
Get in. Push it. Now probably.
Figuring it out. So confused. Look at her face.
Maybe push it again. I don't
She's all
know.
bewildered. She can't deal.
Can't start the car.
Can't start the car. The merrymaker,
Yeah,
there
maybe
he
you have
is.
to put the seatbelt on. I don't know.
Look at her, she's freaking.
Push the button again.
Don't run me over!
Push the button.
It's not.
Push the button
I
again.
think it's on.
No, I don't think it is.
There's no engine noises, you're crazy.
Push it. Push the button again.
I think it's on.
Push it. Can't hear me. Push the button. There you go.
Woo!
All right, now we got some action. That's awesome.
It's beautiful.
Here she comes.
And there they go.
And there they go.